Yo, what's going on, guys? We're in the middle of having Chipotle. I want to talk about something really important, and it's actually a really good point. I was on the call with an onboarder. Onboarder? What the fuck does that even mean?
The client that's getting onboarded.
An onboarder?
Just say with a client that's getting onboarded. That's not like onboarded.
Fuck me.
Onboarded.
I almost spilled my food. I'm still recording.
Keep all that.
Yeah, this will be funny to post. So listen, I was onboarding a client, and she was bringing up how like she saw one of my stories, and she was like, you know, how this person got their first sale on the first day, and like she was excited to see like what I could do with her. And I was bringing up like what happened to Jonathan, who, if he's watching, like I made another post about him, but these agencies that like hold clients' shit and like leads the clients, go high level, whatever the case may be, they're like forcing you to pay exit fees and like these dumbass contracts. And it's like, if you want to succeed in any type of consulting service or freelance, whatever, like you have to start selling yourself. Like these agencies, like they don't last long because you're trying to get every little penny out of your clients. And it's like, there's no fucking relationship built. Like you threatening people for leaving and like you holding people to these stupid like transaction or termination fees, whatever the case may be. It's like, you're trying to help people build a business, but instead, like, agencies are giving marketers a bad name because all they want to do is make a quick buck off of people. Like, if you're going to an agency and they're charging you like less than $1,000 to really do a lot of shit, like, there's probably something wrong there. So it's like, really understand like who you're working with and what you're getting yourself into, because that's like a relationship that you want to have long term. Like you want to build something that's sustainable with somebody so you can both grow together. It's not about fucking money. Like there's a difference between agencies and people like me who sell themselves. That's why I make videos, that's why I put out content, that's why I have a team. Like look at Dave. Dave lives here.
Yeah.
Do you want to live here, Dave?
It's alright.
It's alright, you fucking asshole. But yeah, like live with my team, we have fun, like, yeah, like, fuck these agencies, man, I'm out.